Protect your vehicle today from damage tomorrow.
Do not drive your brand new vehicle until you watch this.
Rocks, stones, gravel, and grime, sand and salt can be stopped from attacking the finish on your brand new vehicle.
This is what supercar owners do. Now you can do it too.
Your vehicle is an investment worth protecting. Your brand new car, truck, or SUV will stay cleaner longer. Years from now, your friends and family will think you just got a brand new car, truck, or SUV. It is easy to do. Immaculate Paint Protection will protect your car, truck, or SUV, saving you time and money. Transparent, hassle, and haggle-free pricing, unmatched quality, and exclusive service are provided for every client.
The mistake you'll make is not acting sooner.
Protect your vehicle today from damage tomorrow.